Hello, in this video I want to show you how to solve problem Instagram Reels not showing. First you need to open the setting on your phone, then scroll down and find the apps. Here go to the manage apps and just wait for loading your data, and then using the search bar find the Instagram. Then scroll down and here you can clear cache, and then go to the Instagram and you can try to Instagram Reels. And if it don't work, go to the Google Play Store and here find the Instagram, then click on the uninstall and then wait for uninstall and then download this app again and go to the Instagram and its problem will be fixed. This is all for today. Goodbye.